Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on recognizing cycle connections. In this video, we will explore the capabilities of this brand new feature and learn how to effectively utilize it in your projects. Let's get started. The latest version of BIMterform automatically detects existing walls from previous cycles that are in a different phase with the appropriate clicks. This does not require a separate command, but uses the familiar forming command approach. Instead of the usual second click on an element, simply select the existing wall. This allows for connections to be made along and across existing walls. To work with the cycle connections in BIMterform, go to the Forming command in the BIMterform Wall tab. Now, let's explore 3 different scenarios where you can make the most of cycle connections. For this purpose, I have prepared a project with multiple connecting walls, built to a specific shape. These walls are assigned to different phases, such as Phase 1 or Phase 2. In the first case, we will examine crosswise wall joints that are clamped on one side. Begin by selecting the wall you want to form in the current cycle, followed by the corner, element on the inside, outside, joint, or normal. Finally, the third click should be the wall from the previous cycle. Typically, the forming is automatically placed up to a maximum wall height of 3 meters. If the wall is taller than 3 meters, you will need to choose a height configuration. Moving on to the second case, which involves crosswise wall joints anchored on both sides. Simply click the wall you want to form in the current cycle and then, with the second and third clicks, select another wall from the previous cycle for each side. In the third case, we will focus on lengthwise wall joints clamped on both sides. The workflow here is similar to the first case. Start by clicking the wall you want to form in the current cycle, then select the corner, element on the inside or outside, joint, or normal. Finally, click the wall from the previous cycle as the third step. By the way, when dealing with one-sided configurations, you can precisely place elements for wall lengths, starting from 4 meters. In cases where a wall is sandwiched between 2 existing walls from previous cycles, meaning it is two-sided, a cleat nut will be used at the start instead of the typical flange nuts. In conclusion, cycle connections in BIMterform is a helpful tool for easily recognizing and creating connections with existing walls in different phases in the project. It simplifies the workflow by removing the need for extra commands and making tasks easier for users. For more information, visit our website and contact us to get a 14 days free trial of BIMterform.